Good day everyone. Today I am going to talk about the ethics of cheating in school. So my name is Gerald Gutwa. So let me start with a simple question. What is cheating? Cheating is when a student gains an unfair advantage in school by breaking the rules. This can include copying answers during the test, using unauthorized notes, letting someone else do your work, or even sharing answers with classmates. At first, some people may think cheating is not a big deal. They may say everyone does it or it's just one test. However, when look when look deeper, cheating is not just about breaking school rules. It is an ethical issue. But what do we mean by ethics? Ethics refers to what is right and wrong. It guides our behavior and decisions. When we choose to cheat, we are making a decision that is unfair and dishonest. So, next, now, let's talk about why cheating is wrong. First, cheating is dishonest. It means you are not being truthful about your own knowledge and abilities. Instead of showing what you have learned, you are pretending to know something you actually do not. The second is cheating is unfair to others. Imagine studying hard for an exam only to find out that someone else got the same or higher score by cheating. This can be frustrating and discouraging. It creates an unequal situation where efforts and honesty are not valued. So, the next it is example. Example is yung example is isang may isa akong example. Isang estudyante na ang may mahirap na pagsusulit na science dahil hindi siya nakapag-aral ng mabuti, kumuha siya ng maliit na papel na may mga sagot at lihim niya itong ginamit habang nag-exam. Nakakuha siya ng mga taas na marka, ngunit hindi niya talaga alam ang tamang sagot o proseso. So, sa sitwasyong ito, tila naging maganda ang kaniyang grado, ngunit nandaya siya. Hindi ito patas sa mga kaklase nag-aral ng mabuti at hindi rin niya tunay na natutunan ang aralin. Next is so teachers and schools also play an important role. They can create a supportive environment where students feel safe to ask questions and make mistakes. Encouraging honesty and understanding is more effective than simplify punishing students. So, yung kuro natin is na-simplify sila na punishing if you are lying or cheating through your one visual. Cheating may give a short-term success like a higher grade, but it can lead to long-term consequences. It can damage your reputation, reduce trust from teachers and classmates, and even affect your future opportunities. So, kapag gumagawa ka ng cheating or yung mga ginagawain mo hindi matama is yung mga taong nasa paligid mo is yung mawawala sila ng tiwala sa iyo or hindi sila maniniwala na sa mga ibang ginagawa mo. So, let us remember that true success is not measured by grades alone, but by the knowledge we gain and the values we develop. Being honest, responsible, and fair will help not only in school but throughout our lives. So that's all of my own understanding based on my. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye.